Napag-usapan na namin yung about sa surprise 60th birthday kay tatay. Kasi last year din si nanay nung June, nag-60th birthday din siya, which is surprise din. So, parang nahihirapan kami kasi feeling namin may idea na siya. So, parang alam niya na oy, surprise din ako, ganon. No worry kami, baka umasa din siya na may 60,000 din siya. Wala. May another surprise naman kami sa'yo, which is Hong Kong. Tour ka namin sa Hong Kong and Macau, tayo ni nanay. Kaya wala kang 60,000.
Come on, let's go. Don't wait another minute. There's no better time for living. Let it show. Come on, let's go. All the moments we've been given, every breath a new beginning. Now we know.
Ayun lang tayo. Ulit-ulit lang. Senior na, alam mo na. Basta palagi ka namin mahal.
Makinig ka na sa amin kasi senior ka na.
Running wild, hearts in motion, chasing down a new sunrise. Every dream.
Happy birthday, Eddie. Pareho na tayong 16 ngayon. Senior na tayo. May edad ka na. Kailangan happy-happy na tayo sa buhay natin. Hindi na tayo nag-aaway. Dapat tayo magpasalamat sa mga anak natin. Kahit mahirap tayo, nabibigay nila sa atin yung mga bagay na hindi natin naibigay sa kanila.
Let's go. Don't wait another minute. There's no better time for living. Let it show. Come on, let's go. All the moments we've been given, every breath a new beginning. Now we know. Come on, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Sana alisin mo na yung pinapaalis kong bisyo mo dahil ayun lang naman ang kinagagalit ko sa iyo.
It feels like we're just getting started. The future's ours to hold. So come on, let's go. Don't wait another minute. There's no better time for living. Let it show. Come on, let's go. All the
Happy 60th birthday, tatay. We love you.
new beginning, now we know. So come on, let's go.
Happy birthday! I hope you like our surprise. It's all for you. Para sa inyo lahat. Sana napasaya ka namin sa munting surprise. I love you and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. I love you, tatay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Eddie. Sana magsama tayo na matagal habang buhay at sana pagpunta natin sa Hong Kong, magsaya tayo. Happy birthday!
Come on, let's go.